Hello, my name is Peter and this is German style cooking. Today I'll show you how to prepare cured meat. We need only 3 ingredients: pork meat, curing salt and water. First we have to dissolve the curing salt in water. It's more easy if you heat the water a little bit. The concentration of the salt should be 10%. Once all our curing salt is dissolved, we let the liquid cool down, put our meat in a plastic vessel, pour the curing salt water solution on top and put it in the fridge for a minimum of 1 week. After 1 week, we just have to boil the meat in pure water for about 3 hours. After 3 hours of boiling, it is super tender and has this great pink color all the way to the center. On this picture you can see what happens if you buy your meat on the local butcher and he's a little bit in a hurry and the curing time is not enough. The meat will stay gray in the center as the salt cannot penetrate the whole meat. It tastes perfect to any kind of stew or to your homemade sauerkraut. Link to our sauerkraut video in the corner above.